So this is a gait belt. I've been a physical therapist for almost 20 years, and I don't transfer anybody without one of these. So if I'm a caregiver and I'm having to do this dozens of times a day, you better believe this is one of the best tools you can have. If you don't have one, talk to your owners and get one. There's a couple different options for gait belts. This is the kind of the standard one. It's got little teeth on it. Okay. So all you're gonna do through this one is go backwards through the jaw, kind of like this is the mouth. You're gonna go through the jaw and then wrap it around the teeth and put it through this. Right? If you want to tighten it up, you just kind of pull it through here like this. Right. They have other ones that are more like a seat belt, so they kind of clip together. Those are fine. If you have somebody heavier though, I would go with something like this because the other ones are, the clip ones are plastic. So in putting it on a patient, lift your arms up. Again, just to review, you're gonna go through the bottom part of the jaw, beneath the teeth, pull through here, and then loop it through this way.
Awesome. What do you have to say about all this?
You'll really enjoy it and find it easier to do if you follow the directions.
That was not paid. Ted lives here at Sage Oak. That is true. Brian just brought the fact. And you guys worked with Ted for a long time, right? Yeah. So Senior Solutions Home Health helped Ted when he first moved in for quite a long time.
I want to see what you've been up to. So you're walking now. Are you walking without the gait belt or without the walker?
No, well,
Is he doing some walking without the
walker?
With him? Oh my gosh, this is fantastic.
Yes.
What a huge difference in the last few months, huh? I think so.
We're all finished, Ted. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thelma, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
And Brian, thanks for coming and helping us out.
Thank you, my pleasure.